Good morning. Welcome to Dadgun Fishing. I am at my favorite river spot and it's cold again. We are like in the 50s, mid 50s in the last couple of days. Windy, but it's probably gonna warm up eventually. Fish are somewhat active. I've been able to get a couple in the last couple of days. So let's see what I can get out of here. I just had a bite. I am using G-Crack right now. I've been trying to see how well it works. I actually purchased several of them. I have been able to get something on it. You see that? There are fish active there. And it's just a matter of finding them. There you go. Bites. Light bites. I think it's bluegill for the most part. Well, let's see. Don't know who's popping up right now. Big splashes. Is it time to go top water? Probably carp though. It's about the right time for them. Slaps. I got one. Oh. That's a nice one. Let me get ready. Woo. I am not positioned to get a fish, and now I am. Oh, look at that. Oh, beauty. An absolute beauty. Let me get him out. I know you're angry. I get you out. Look at that. And that's on a G-Crack. Absolutely wonderful fish. There you go. Nice size molly. Probably spawning if there's blood on the fins. I don't know if that's what it means. You can swim now. On the G-Crack. Okay, let's try crank. I feel like trying one. I'm gonna switch a rod right now. And this is my new Tallulah, 6 feet. Is it 6? I don't remember. What is it? 7.0. Medium fast. Yeah, because that's what we usually fish. All right, let me see. Crank. Baby -1. Yeah, let's try that one. I don't remember what else I have. I haven't replaced recently a lot of my things. I have Dark Sleeper. Oh no, this is baby -1. I think this is baby -1. I don't know. I don't remember which is baby -1. Anyway, not important. I'm trying this. Doesn't work. I'll try a I am going to try something. I forgot what it is. I'm starting to use those new snaps. So try to use them. How do you get this? I'm gonna let it get out a little bit. There you go. Burn stop. Burn stop. There you go. Got one. Another smallie. Definitely a smaller one. There you go. I'm not gonna use a net for this. I don't have to. Get all tangled up. Open wide. You got it on the lip. I gotta take a picture with the lure. Right? Decent fish. Alright, thank you. Maybe less, but let's see. We'll do this. Another one. Put the pressure on. Look at her running. I think I need a net for this. That's a big one. Maybe the same. Trying to shake me off. Gotcha. Oh, nice. Look at the size of this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Another one for the 12 Oaks. You can see it. Beautiful. Thank you. Good sharp hooks. Good fish. Very nice. Oh, there's a fish on it. See? I said. Oh, man. Well, hungry caterpillar. Look at that. How am I supposed to free you up, buddy? Just went berserk on me. There you go. Got some kind of growth. Bluegill like him. Okay. That's not a fish. But unfortunately, I have to go now and work. Ew. But thank you for joining me. Tight lines, everybody.